My name is Chris Keller. I'm a curriculum developer for SEPUP and the project coordinator for the Investigating Alternative Energy, Hydrogen and Fuel Cells module. SEPUP's modules use an approach that we call issue-oriented science. Students experience science not only by conducting laboratories and investigations, readings, and discussing their ideas, but also by using what they have learned to make decisions about important societal and personal issues. This particular module, funded by the U.S. Department of Energy, focuses on hydrogen and fuel cells as one option for energy for transportation. In this video, I'll show you what's included in the kit and describe the sequence of activities in the module.
The curriculum includes student pages that guide students through 6 different activities. Also included is a teacher's guide that offers teaching suggestions and blackline masters for worksheets and transparencies. Everything in the printed teacher's guide is also provided in PDF format on a DVD, which provides additional videos, computer simulations, and a presentation for activity number 1. The module takes 2 to 3 weeks to complete and is intended for a high school chemistry class. With some modifications, the curriculum can be adapted for a high school physics, physical science, or environmental science course as well.
The module comes with a set of equipment for one group of approximately 4 students. Although this can be used as a demonstration kit, we recommend purchasing enough additional equipment sets so that all of your students, working in groups of 4, can experience the lessons firsthand.
The kit consists of an electrolyzer, a white plastic electrolyzer tray, a proton exchange membrane fuel cell, 2 pairs of tubing and valves, one for the electrolyzer and one for the fuel cell, a bottle of 2 molar potassium hydroxide solution, a DC power supply, a squeeze bottle and ear syringe for properly hydrating the fuel cell, and an electric motor with propeller, a white plastic motor mount, a set of red and black alligator clips, 2 fuel cell molecular modeling sets, and finally, a book containing all the student book pages and teacher's guide along with a DVD. More information about the kit items is in Appendix A of the curriculum, along with some general lab items that are needed for the module but are not included in the kit.
The module consists of 6 activities. The first, titled Hydrogen for Transportation, sets up a situation where students are helping a city official to investigate the feasibility of hydrogen fuel cell buses to replace the city's fleet of diesel-powered buses. Students analyze data on several potential options for powering vehicles to determine each of their benefits and trade-offs.
In activity number 2, titled Obtaining Hydrogen Through Electrolysis, students use the electrolyzer to decompose water into hydrogen and oxygen. They also solve problems related to the stoichiometry and energy transfer of the reaction. In activity number 3, Observing a Fuel Cell, students learn how to operate the fuel cell, which they then use to power an electric motor. They also measure the consumption of gases and the electrical current and voltage produced by the fuel cell. Students are introduced to oxidation reduction, or redox, reactions and half reactions in activity number 4, Modeling the Fuel Cell Reaction. Using a computer simulation of a proton exchange membrane fuel cell, students will investigate the chemical reactions that occur within a fuel cell. To deepen their understanding of fuel cell chemistry, students also manipulate a molecular model in a fuel cell schematic. In activity number 5, Fuel Cell Efficiency, students measure the energy used by the fuel cell as well as the energy produced in order to calculate the energy efficiency of the fuel cell.
For the final activity, Hydrogen for Buses, students analyze information and do additional research to identify the advantages of and challenges to widespread use of hydrogen fuel cell powered buses. In a simulated city council meeting, students present the various issues related to hydrogen fuel and fuel cells and discuss the trade-offs involved in their use.
For more information about the curriculum, please visit SEPUP's website or LabAID's, our publisher, at the following addresses: